Okay guys, so this is a tutorial on how to do the bust. So basically how you do it is that you put it like this, right? And you sort of have this like a lineup where you do like this. And if you do this motion, it basically helps you get it done way easier. But I guess that's a preference. I guess you might have to try without it, try some different methods, but honestly, this helps a lot, I would say. I personally I find it very easy to do like a twisted sonic bust, like do a twisted sonic. So if you can do that, that helps me a lot. But this is also, I guess, a good lineup because you don't really have to know how to do a certain trick. Yeah, basically you put it like this, right? And then you sort of do like this motion where you throw it, and then there's like a moment where it's like sort of like almost stops, and then you basically do the bust. However, I guess you could do it with no motion, but I find that very hard personally. So I guess the motion helps a lot. Maybe you can do like a twisted sonic, that could help. Basically, once you're there, you basically sort of like you basically like flick like the pen, sort of like if you're pulling like a trigger, like this, sort of. You kind of like, and then you like extend your index finger in a way, and then you kind of catch it back. You extend your middle finger back. So that's kind of how you do it. Yeah, try to find the way that works the best for you. So yeah.